Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make your favorite macaroni salad easy method. Cook elbow macaroni to al dente, rinse under cold water, and cool completely. Whisk mayonnaise, vinegar, mustard, and seasoning until smooth. Fold vegetables and dressing into pasta gently, then chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld. Gather ingredients first to streamline the process and avoid overcooking pasta. Measure mayo, vinegar, and mustard before you start. Chop celery and red onion uniformly for even texture, and toast any nuts or seeds separately if used. Keep a tasting spoon handy to adjust salt and pepper as you mix the dressing gradually until the flavor is balanced and smooth. Start by boiling pasta and preparing dressing while it cooks so nothing sits too long. Cool pasta quickly under cold water to preserve texture. Whisk mayo, vinegar, mustard, and seasonings until smooth and taste for balance before adding vegetables. Fold everything together gently to keep pasta intact, cover, and chill for at least 1 hour so flavors marry and the salad firm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.